Start with a slip knot and chain 39 plus 3 chains extra for the turning chain, or else you can start off with any multiple of 3 plus 3 chains extra for the turning chain. Next on, 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. 1 2 3 4, this one. And 1 double crochet in each and every stitch until the end. Once you reach the end, chain 3 and turn your work. Next round, skip the 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and in the 3rd stitch make a single crochet, chain 3, skip 2, and in the next stitch make a single crochet. Now repeat this until then, chain 3, skip 2, and 1 single crochet. Make the last single crochet, chain 3, turn your work. Next round, make 3 double crochets in the same stitch, the first stitch, now skip this chain 3 space and in the next single crochet make 1 single crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Skip this chain 3 space and in the next single crochet make 1 single crochet. Now repeat this until the end. Chain 3, 3 double crochets in the same space, skip the chain 3 space and in the next space 1 single crochet. Now repeat it. Make the last set of double crochets. And make a single crochet into the last stitch. chain 5 and turn your work. It might look bunched up at this round, but after making couple of rounds it would straighten out. Next round, now skip this bunch of 3 double crochets and into this chain 3 space make one single crochet, chain 3, skip this double crochets and one single crochet into this chain 3 space. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches, chain 3, skip this bunch of double crochets and one single crochet into this chain 3 space, chain 3, one single crochet, make the last single crochet. To end this round, chain 3 and turn your work. Now keep repeating this last 2 rounds until it's around 8 inches, or else if you wish to make a rectangular placement, you can repeat few more rounds. 3 double crochets in the same stitch, that is the same single crochet. Skip this chain 3 space and one single crochet into the next stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochets, this is how the pattern will look. To start the next round, this round should be of chain 3 spaces. Make sure to stop the round at this chain 3 spaces, chain 2 and turn your work. Now make 3 double crochets in each and every chain 3 space. Skip this 3 double crochets into the next chain space. While making the last double crochet, change the yarn color. And you can weave off this yarn. 3 double crochets into the same space. And take this yarn ends along with the working yarn. Now make 3 double crochets in each and every chain space. Three double crochets into the next space. Now here make 3 double crochets in this stitch as well. And in this corner stitch make 3 double crochets. Now start working on the other side. Make 1 double crochet each and every stitch. This is how the corner will look. Now we reach the next corner. Make 3 double crochets over here. Three double crochets into this stitch. That's a new corner. 3 double crochets into this next stitch, this one. Skip this space and 3 double crochets into the next stitch. Repeat this until the end. Three double crochets into the second last stitch. And 3 double crochets into this corner stitch. Now continue with 1 double crochet in each and every stitch until the end. Make 3 double crochets into the last stitch. And slip stitch into the first double crochet and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.